Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to do another smelly vision, but this is for a brand called Noteworthy. I believe it was $25 and you take a quiz and basically they help you pick out a signature scent and something that you're really gonna love. This is a sustainable company. They're also a cruelty-free company. And I believe they say that their fragrances are gender neutral as well. So I'm gonna pull my little samples out here and then my information card. This is what the company sends you. It's this cute little card here. And it says, we created Noteworthy with one goal in mind: to help you find your signature scent. A fragrance that says, "This is me." It says the discovery kit is unique to you. It says that basically this test was done by scientists with thousands of data entries, and basically that 3 of the scents you're most likely to like 90% of them. Also too, they've got a great return exchange policy. You don't love them, they will take care of you. So I think their customer service is great and I really like them in that regard as a company. They really stand behind their product and they want you to be happy. Also in the box, it comes with your $25 credit when you order the scents. So these are the scents that I got. I got number 345. I got number 619. And then I got number 8. And then I got number 141. So in no particular order, I'm just gonna go through them. It tells you there's like a cheat sheet inside. We'll start with this one, which is number 141. And it has citrus, lemon blossom, and vanilla, right? It says people like you said that 141 was romantic, new, modern, bergamot, lovely, love the citrus and vanilla. That this is sophisticated, it's new, it's modern, it's punchy, it's sweet. They love the mix of the romantic, modern, sexy, and cool. So bright, so fresh. Love the citrus, sophisticated, elegant, bright freshness. So that's what people are saying about this fragrance. Again, this is number 141. I'm gonna spray it again here. I have worn all of these. I have thoughts on that as well. This one smells really nice. It's really pleasant. Probably a really easy fragrance to wear. Would also make a great room scent, a candle. I liked it, right? This is number 8. What it says about number 8, it says people like you who like number 8. It's a beautiful, fruity, calming, sweet, fresh fragrance. It says calming, sensual. It's a walk through the beach pear. It's cool, summer vibes, summer nights, upbeat, fresh, sunny afternoons, spending time enjoying your life, finding the way and walking through the beach. So this fragrance has pear, gardenia, and sandalwood. I'm gonna spray it again. This one's really, really fresh. You smell that pear right off the bat. Anytime you have pear, you're gonna get a really fresh fragrance. I liked this one too, but on my skin, it changed and it became more like, I don't know, like air freshener you would spray in the air and not a perfume. And longevity on this was garbage, but I did like the initial scent. I will say that I actually liked 141 is my number 1 pick, and then my number 2 pick is going to be number 8. 141 just smelled better on my skin and I liked it, and I wish that number 8 smelled as good as 141 on me, but it just didn't. But neither one of them lasted. So that is kind of the biggest issue I had with the company, is there's no longevity. Then we're going to go into another fragrance here. This is kind of where it starts to go downhill for me. This one is called 345. This fragrance has mandarin, lavender, patchouli, and what people say about it is it's a citrus, grapefruit, strong lavender, hints of grapefruit. It says lavender, nice fragrance, gentle florals, patchouli, floral kick, patchouli kick. Lavender is gentle, lavender, and grapefruit. So that's what people have to say about this. Typically, those types of notes are in masculine fragrances, and this is very masculine again. Great candle, home scent. Terrible for a woman. Like, there's nothing feminine about this whatsoever. And it's very heavy of patchouli. I did not like 345 at all. For me, it's definitely too masculine. I would never wear that. It's never even something I would pick for myself. And you do a pretty extensive quiz. They ask a lot of questions. Personally, I think the quiz didn't ask me the right kind of questions. I mean, I have been selling fragrance for almost 20 years, and I've been wearing fragrance longer than that, and I'm very picky, very specific about what I want, but it never got down to like the nitty-gritty of, okay, I like fruit, I like this, I like that. It was asking you other kind of roundabout questions. So I don't really agree with how they're asking you the questions, and I wish there maybe was a couple extra questions on like, what are your top 3 favorite fragrances, to kind of weed out some of these masculine fragrances that I'm not interested in. It did ask me if I wanted feminine fragrances, which I did, but none of these last 2 don't smell feminine to me at all. And then with number 619, this one's juniper berry, geranium, and sandalwood. Again, these are all notes that are in men's fragrance. There's only one fragrance I know of for women that has juniper berry in it, and it smells like men's to me. This by far was the worst one. This is just god awful. I couldn't even handle it on my skin. I actually had to wash it off. It was really terrible. But what people said about it is it's beautiful rose opening, chilly floral, definitely a winter blend, loving allure, favorite beautiful blend. Someone said summer breeze, rosy, and woody. So that's what people say about it. I don't even like this for a candle or a room spray. This one just stinks to me. I don't like woody fragrances, again, I'm gonna say that, and juniper berry is a no for me. You either like it or you don't. It always gives me kind of that weird Christmassy holiday vibe, and I just don't like it. So that one by far is the worst. I would not recommend 619 to anyone, even a man. I don't want a man to smell like that. So that's the worst one. And then I would say 345. Again, it's too masculine for me, and I don't recommend that. So if I had to pick one, which sadly for me, this company is a complete pass. Sorry, spoiler alert. It's a complete pass. I will not buy anything from this company. I don't even actually recommend doing the smell test and the quiz test because I wasn't happy with any of them. They lack longevity, and then the ones that are heavier, have more longevity, are just way too masculine for what I want or what I would wear. I'm sure if you are someone who's never worn fragrance before or has no idea what you're looking for, this might be a good option. I'm not one of those people. I was looking for something really unique, and these all fell really flat for me. They all kind of smell like a candle sort of scent, and none of them are unique or sophisticated enough for the types of fragrances that I enjoy. So I definitely have to say it's a pass. If I had to pick one that's the best, in my opinion, that would be number 144. This is very much a spring summer type of fragrance. The negative, no longevity. That's just it. Another one that I enjoyed was number 8. That was okay, but again, no longevity, but they both smell like candles. Like, nothing is crazy about them or makes them unique enough to really be in my collection. At this point in my life, my collection's very curated, and I only want the best of the best, and these all fell flat for me. What I will say about the company is they are excellent and have amazing customer service. And if you are not happy, they will 100% refund your money, even on your samples, which I think is just wonderful. So for that, they get total points. And I feel good about why I purchased from the company, because the company is a good company. However, the fragrances fell flat for me, and that is just my feelings. As always, guys, make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe. I post a new video every Tuesday. In the description box will always be my Instagram daily posts, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.